we had a bit of a run around the farm. We shot some footage. The bike looks good. Tell us about the bike.
Well, it's a 2014 model. I bought it new and been thoroughly enjoying it ever since. It hasn't given me any trouble. It's currently on 57,000 kilometers.
Okay. What's the service interval on the Tenere?
About 10,000 k's.
10,000 k's.
Yeah.
And roughly, what does it cost you for a service?
About 1,000 rand.
So from a mechanical point of view, are there any sort of little gremlins you've picked up along the way?
Well, the diff seal is, it's not notorious for leaking, but it does sweat. I changed mine at 30,000 k's, and it was a question of taking off the back tire, small screwdriver, rip it out, put in the new one, and I was off again.
Okay, so that's something you did on your own?
On my own.
Okay.
It took me longer to find the correct tool to take it out than to actually change it.
All right. Now tell me, obviously folks out there are going to want to know, is it a Pillion suitable motorcycle?
Oh, yes. Yeah.
So why is it that she's riding her own motorcycle now? What bike is she riding?
She's riding the XT660Z.
Okay.
Yeah.
So she's riding the more hardcore of the Yamahas?
Yes, of the Yamahas, yes.
Okay, well that's interesting.
Yes, she just decided that it's time to ride her own thing, to get out there, and it's done wonders for her.
Confidence.
Yeah.
Okay.
So whenever she gets a bit aggro, I chase her out the house. Get on your bike and go for a ride.
Oh, brilliant. So there's a tip for all of you men out there that have got women pillions. If they get a little bit anxious, it's that time of the month, chase them out the house, give them their own motorbike and tell them to go and get rid of their aggression. Great tip there, Rynhardt. I think all you men out there that take stick from your pillions, there's a tip from Rynhardt. It works a treat, eh?
Yes.
All right, so, what else can we say about the Tenere? What about fuel consumption?
It's not bad. It gets me about 19 k's to a litre.
And what size tank has it got?
It's a 23 litre tank.
23.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I find that I can comfortably do 300.
All right.
300 kilometers.
So Rynhardt, thank you very much for joining us here. You're the first of the official series on owners and their motorcycles. So guys, don't forget, like and subscribe, put a comment in the section below, and we'll see you in 2 weeks, Rynhardt.
2 weeks.
Cool. Take care. Happy trails.